Hi everybody, I'm Danny Dancer. I'm the social studies educator here at Children's Museum Houston, and I am here in our junction hallway where we are working on our Make Some Noisemakers craft. Now we are actually doing this to celebrate Juneteenth. For our friends at home, you will probably see this video after Juneteenth, but I still want to tell you a little bit about this holiday. So it's celebrated every year on June 19th, and it is because in June 19th, in the year 1865, that is when slavery was finally abolished. It had been declared not okay, not legal 2 years previously, but because the only way that the message could be communicated was face-to-face, person-to-person, by Union soldiers traveling from state to state to reinforce the new law. It took until 1865, about 2 years later, before those soldiers reached Galveston, Texas. And that was why we celebrate Juneteenth, because it is the time that we had independence for all and freedom for all. So what we are doing here is we're making a little bit of noise about it. We have our own version of the Juneteenth flag. This is sort of a round version here. Now for friends at home, you can try to draw this for yourself if you want. In the middle we have a white star, which represents not just the state of Texas, but all 50 states. We have this starburst going around it, which represents sort of a new beginning. And then we have our colors of red, white, and blue to show us all of these American ideals of freedom and justice for everybody. So this version, you can, like I said, you can make it yourself, or if you'd prefer, you can try printing one up, and then we're going to color it with our red and blue markers. And we are going to attach this to anything that you can find at home that you can keep something like beans or rice or beads or corn kernels inside. So here at the museum, we just have plastic cups. I put just a few pinto beans in the bottom, and then I have a lid that I can seal on top so that all of those beans stay inside. Now next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out my flag here. I'm going to attach it to the top with a little bit of tape, and then we're going to use it to make some noise. All right, we have finished our Make Some Noisemakers, and I have some friends here ready to help me make some noise. Ladies, you want to do this? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, make some noise! And perfect, awesome. But I hope you will all keep making noise with your noisemakers while you're at the museum. We might keep doing it at home as well. Thank you very much to my friends here and to my friends at home. Happy Juneteenth, happy Freedom Day to everybody, and we hope to see you all at the museum soon. Bye.